So when I applied to St David's, I disclosed my additional needs, and you don't have to do that, but it definitely helped because I was able to have like a welcome session with the LSC and with some of the staff. I got familiar with them, with the space and what they provided. Even for the first few months, I didn't really use it much. I was too busy like down road for having a coffee. Like I was too busy like getting into college life. But as it started to get a bit much with like mock stress and stuff, I really utilised the space a lot more. I'm someone who struggles at home to get in that same work mode as college. I think that's just part of like the detachment of it. So to try and be as productive as I could in college, the LSC really helped with that. For those initial few months as well, the organisation got quite a lot. I wasn't really organising like homework, but I could have drop-ins in the LSC that I organised, and it was just really open. Like you would go, you would talk to them about it, and they offered that. Like I didn't know about them until I was told. I think the rest of the college has really upped its visibility of the LSC. I think the college is promoting it more, and now I think people maybe would know about those sessions. But I was able to come in I think it was once every Thursday, but if it was a Thursday I didn't come in, or it was fine. It wasn't like a strict schedule, but I would like do my work and just talk about setting a timetable for myself. And I'm not always the type of person who needs that, so we like discovered that as well and talked about alternatives to writing like a regimented plan that I had to follow. Thinking back to before I started as well, I was quite nervous about the stigma that might be attached to me. I was nervous I'd be like labelled as, I don't know, needing a lot of help if I went to the LSC or even went just once. If I used the space, I would be labelled as someone who needed that support, and no one wants to be viewed in that light. And I think this college is really good with that. Like there's no labelling whatsoever, and even with the LSC, it was as inconspicuous as you wanted it to be, or it could be more visible.